To set up a workshop in Punchpass, you're going to want to set up the class type. So depending on what you're looking to offer, you can set up the class name, adjust the settings for the class, whatever you're looking to do, set the timing for it, add a class description if you want to enter information about what the workshop is going to be, and you can adjust your reservation settings. So if you're doing an in-person class, this might be where you want to limit the number of reservations accepted. We'll turn on the waitlist feature and we'll go ahead and click save. And now that I have my class type set up, I want to set up my class time. So I'm going to add a one-time class here because it's just the one-day workshop. And we can adjust our settings again. Whatever you have set up for your class rules will apply. But we'll go ahead and set the date and the time for this single class. Do that. And then as you can see, we can turn it to an online class, but this is an in-person one. So we'll just go ahead and add it. And then for workshops, what we see is really popular is instead of using passes, we're going to use the ticketing feature. So what that will do is it will set the price. So everyone going to book is going to book and pay the ticketed price for this workshop. And if I go into the class, I'm going to grab this public link here. So the link I'm going to be sharing out to my customers. And you can see here, here's the ticketed pricing. So people will sign up to book this workshop and purchase at the same time.